Okay students, so apart from this theoretical question, we should not forget that numerical question are also a part of our short run equilibrium output. So we will solve a numerical question also today. Here given the consumption function C is equal to 150 plus 0.6y. In this consumption function, C represents consumption expenditure, this 150 represents autonomous consumption, that is C bar, and this 0.6 represent MPC, clear, and Y is income here. And it is also given that investment expenditure in the economy is 2000 rupees, clear. So you have to calculate three things. First, equilibrium level of national income. Second, consumption expenditure at equilibrium level of national income, means you have to find out first of all equilibrium level of national income, means Y you have to find out, clear. Then consumption expenditure at in C you have to find out, and then savings at equilibrium level means S you have to find out, clear. Now just remind that we have to find out all at the equilibrium level, means AS is equal to AD, means income is equal to consumption plus investment, clear. So let's just find out the first part here. We have to find out equilibrium level of income. We know that at equilibrium level Y is equal to C plus I. In our equation, C is given to us 150 plus 0.6y. See here in the question, C is given to us 150 plus 0.6y. We will put the consumption function as it is in place of C. Clear? This is the consumption function in place of C given in the question. Plus investment expenditure is given to as 2000. This is the investment expenditure which is given to as 2000. Clear? Now from this equation we can have the value of Y here. Now what will be the value of Y here? It would become 2150 plus 0.6y, because this 150 plus this 2000 become 2150 plus 0.6y. Now we can have value of Y from here as 2150 upon 0.4, because when this 0.6y goes here it become minus from 1, and 1 minus 0.6 becomes 0.4. So now we are having the value of Y as 5375. Now this is the equilibrium income that we find out, clear. The second thing we need to find out is consumption. Now consumption, we know we have been given here consumption function, that is 150 plus 0.6y. Now Y we have calculated in our first part, the Y we have calculated here as 5375. Then we will multiply it, 5375, clear. Now the consumption would become, when we multiply this with 5375, we will get 3225. So in totality we are having the consumption as 3375. This is the answer of second question, consumption, clear. Now coming to the third part, we have to find out savings. We know that savings is equal to income minus consumption. Income we have calculated in the first part, consumption we have calculated in the second part. So we will put over here 5375 minus 3375. So the savings would become 2000, clear. You can also verify your example. At equilibrium, saving is equal to investment. See here, investment in the question given 2000 and our savings is becoming 2000. So this is the equilibrium level where savings is equal to investment. So this is how we're gonna solve the numerical question.